Hey guys, welcome back to the Mastermind Backyard Barbecue. In today's video, I'm bringing the Picanha to the party, and the theme is Santa Maria style barbecue, thanks to the Titan Kettle style attachment on the Weber Performer Deluxe. Oh yeah! Now, what did you guys think of that Sunjo hydraulic log splitter? And major kudos to you axe-wielding maniacs that split your own wood out there. Oh yeah. So, as advertised, there is no charcoal in this kettle at all. I'm taking advantage of the Performer's ignition system and I'm letting it do its thing for about 5 minutes before I turn it off. And as you can see right here, not too shabby. Alright guys, here it is. This is the star of this video. This is the Picanha, and this is how it's packaged straight from Walmart. And it's not too bad. I mean, this is a USDA choice. It's an Acrylovac vacuum sealed packaging, and I mean, I can't find anything wrong with this right here. So I'm good with it. All right, here's the game plan. Gonna clean this up a little bit, perform a light trimming on the fat cap, and I'm gonna season this with some pink Himalayan salt, black coarse pepper, and some granulated garlic. We're gonna cook this Santa Maria style, and we're going to take this off the grill once it hits an internal temperature of 120 degrees, rare. And we're going to finish cooking it in a bowl with some onions and lime. And it's going to make for a very, very tender picanha for some bomb-ass tacos. Wait and see, guys. Oh yeah, that's sharp, right? That's my Shadow Black series from Dalstrong. And I'm telling you right now, 1 year later, these things are performing great. And I don't give no special treatment to these knives at all. I wash them like any other knife. I treat them like any other knife. They just treat me a lot better. Now let's speed this up a bit. Now for those of you who are not too familiar with this cut of beef, this is the sirloin cap, also known as cutlet or culotte, and also known as picanha. And this is a very tender cut of meat. If compared to a tri-tip, this would definitely be a little bit more tender. The grain is finer versus tri-tip, and I love it. All right, so let's see how much fat actually came off this cap. So, man, I'm good with that. Now, in case anyone was ever wondering, these videos I make, they're done 100% on my Note 10 Plus. The editing's done on my Note 10. I mean, you probably can tell this is not no professional grade anything, but it's just me, the backyard, the grills, and you guys, and we're making this happen. Oh yeah, I love it. Man, I absolutely love that this attachment comes with that lever and that sprocket in that handle. I mean, the wooden handle, just for 99 bucks. It still amazes me to this day. Right now, I think this attachment and the Hunsaker Rib Hanger attachment is the best bang for the money for what it does to your kettles or for your smokers. I mean, these two things are my MVPs, no doubt. So all I'm basically doing is just rotating this, flipping this meat over just to get an even heat distribution on both sides. Even though one side's a fat cap, doesn't matter to me. Just trying to get an equal amount of time on both sides until this thing reaches around 120. That's all I care about. Alright, it's time to get this off the grill. It actually probed about 118. I'm fine with that. We're going to take this inside, let it rest for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to show you what's up. So on this particular picanha, I can see the grain where it's running. So I'm going to go ahead and separate it into 4 pieces this way, and then cut against the grain that way. But I'm not going to chop it up till it's actually time to make tacos. That's how you keep the meat nice and tender. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there, rare. So I am slicing it like I said, but I'm not gonna dice it just yet. Oh yeah, we gotta check this out. Look at that, she's pretty. What's your name, little sliver? What's your name? And let's be clear about something. This is rare, but it's still freaking delicious. Oh yeah, I likes that. I could definitely just call it a day with it just like this, but that's not the plan. Let's continue on. What? Did you think I was gonna just leave that on my board? Nuh-uh. It ain't happening. Come on, that was sexy right there. All right, now let's get this onion chopped. Let's get it diced, thrown into our bowl with meat. Then we're gonna squeeze a lime into the meat, mix it up, and then we're gonna commence to heating up some tortillas in bacon grease. That's right, that's what I said, bacon grease. All right, so we got the onions in there, we got the lime. It's been doing its thing. It's only been in here for about 5 minutes, and look at the color change already. That is how you keep something like this super duper tender and freaking flavorful. Let's get onto the tortillas. And just like I said, there's bacon grease up in that cast iron, and we're gonna just heat these tortillas up till they get nice and crispy-ish and just ready to go. And I love them like this. If you don't got no bacon grease, maybe use some manteca. If you don't got that, use some butter. This is how you do it. All right, it's time to make these tacos. Make sure you dig down to the bottom, get some of that juice on that board, and we're gonna chop this up and everything's going in that taco. So in my opinion, the reason why I'm chopping at the end is so that all the juice that's been retained in that meat stays in that meat. And if anything does release, we're gonna scoop it right back up and we're gonna use it and not lose it. Oh man, there she is. Now keep in mind, this is a taco. You can dress yours any way you want. Avocado, pico de gallo, salsa, but I'm gonna enjoy it like this. Alright, so let me reveal to you the notes I'm getting on these taste buds. I'm getting that oniony lime right off the top with a little bit of that sweet smoky flavor from the red oak. The picanha is so super tender. All of this together, man, so delicious. The only thing it lacked was a little bit of heat. And there it is.
God damn, that's good. Man. That's the business right there.